New Year means new hope, beautifully captures the essence of the fresh beginning that comes with the beginning of a new year. It always reflects the optimism and the positive anticipation that many people feel as they embark on a new chapter in their lives. This phrase suggests a sense of renewal, a chance to leave behind all the challenges you have faced and uncertainties of the past and embrace the potential for positive change and growth in the coming future. Many people set their goals, make resolutions, and plan for their upcoming new year. The sentiment of new year and new hope, which encourages a focus on all the possibilities, new opportunities, and a hopeful outlook. It's a reminder that each new year brings with its promise of a new beginning with chance to create a brighter and more fulfilling future. In this video, I will share some 25 New Year resolution which you must apply in your life to get a better life. The first New Year resolution to plant a tree. You can start your new year by planting a tree. Second is help the needy. We can help who are the needy people. Third is keep yourself happy. We always try to make ourselves happy. Eat healthy food to be healthy and happy. We should try to be punctual and avoid procrastination. We should bring a smile to someone's face. Dream big and achieve your goal. Try to think of everything in a positive way. Be a good citizen and work for your country. Exercise regularly or start a new fitness routine. Get enough sleep each night. Learn a new skill or hobby. We can spend more quality time with family and friends. Save a specific amount of money each month. Pursue additional education or any certifications. Practice meditation or yoga. Manage stress and practice relaxation techniques. Prioritize your mental health and seek support when needed. Set and achieve specific measurable goals. Plan and take some trips to new places. Embrace a sense of adventure in your life. Practice gratitude daily. Focus on the present moments and appreciate your life's simple achievements. Cultivate a positive mindset. And last but not the least, be happy. Once again, I wish everyone a happy new year. You are the person who can bring change in your life. You are the person who can bring a better future in your life. I wish all of you a very happy new year. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. You can put your valuable comments in the comment box. I will read every comments and reply back to it. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.